Top secret adventure.
You did?
Whose adventures are we talking about here?
I don't know. Top, you came in what, second place?
Second place.
Category 1?
Category 1.
Nice.
40 to 49.
How was the course?
The course was quite sweet. It was flowy. You had to...
Wicked fun.
Wicked fun. Everything was
Wicked fun.
So wicked awesome.
Wicked awesome.
Freaking awesome.
Wow.
So, that was a good course. So, very flowy. You had to find the mojo.
Mojo.
That's what I kept on last lap, which I kept on reminding myself.
So
Find the mojo.
what was your mantra for the race?
Find the mojo.
Find the mojo.
Find the mojo. Don't ride against the course. Ride with the course.
Ride with the
Find
course.
the flow. Find the flow and ride with the flow. That's a lot of guys out there, just riding hard in between turns, hitting the brakes, and then, slowing down for turns and then pumping hard. And it's like, you kill yourself if you do that. You just gotta just find that rhythm where, you're not touching the brakes. You gotta lay off the brakes.
It's for the young guys. Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it was a 19 to 34.
Well, this is, but you just said